to fight it, but I gave in. Lips like kryptonite. Yeah, I want you and I hate it. You're my poison, I can taste it. Every time we kiss it's like lips like kryptonite. You're Satan. Little holes in your forehead, babe, you ain't playing. If your world and your scar would have been amazing. You're a whore and a whore, where the fuck we waiting? We waiting. I was raised a gentleman, I'm pretty far from gentlemen. Go as hard as venison, go to war like veterans. Got us stored and everything on the floor. We're sweating, I'm pretty sure we're getting a little sore. Where did that come from? That bomb that bumped up against me. I fucked up your name, it was McKenzie. Got a text from your number and jumped on my 10 speed. I love when you tempt me again, please. I want you and I hate it. Try to fight it, but I gave in. Lips like kryptonite, lips like kryptonite. I want you and I hate it. You're my poison, I can taste it. Every time we kiss it's like lips like kryptonite. Try to fix all the shit we're in, but we're hopeless. Wanna run, wanna hide, wanna dive in the ocean. You're a whore, I'm a whore, let's get it going. It's going. And I don't wanna talk a lot. Sitting in this parking lot, drinking Arnie Palmer as my stomach rots. Are we gonna fuck or not? Fuck, I fall in love a lot. What you want? Driving straight to hell and I don't wanna stop. And it's true, I'm a dude who's pretty up on this. Off at the wall ever since I got up on my meds. I shouldn't call, but you got me where you want me again. I thought we were friends, I guess it's pretty obvious that I want you and I hate it. Try to fight it, but I gave in. Lips like kryptonite, lips like